Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you don't know me, my name is Lindy Budiwe, all the way from South Africa. So yeah guys, I bought a new machine because my old one is giving me problems, so I decided, no, let me just go and buy another machine. You know, as you go and buy another machine, I came across this and I had to go and buy others as well because I needed them. You know, when you share with the kids in the house, it's not a good thing. So better each and every one of them have their own cups so that you don't give each other issues and problems. So I bought these cups. I bought two of them because we already had the other ones. So this was just an addition so that each and everyone can have his own. You guys, my kids are so spoiled. They are so spoiled. Each and everyone, when they see something new, they all want it. No matter how old are they all want it. I actually bought this for myself, and now because of this seen mine, they wanted to have their own. So I said, no, why not? Okay, let me just go and buy for them as well, so that I can have a peace of mind. And then I bought myself this tripod, the bigger one, guys. Hey guys, we need to grow. Hey, we need to grow. So I bought this one, the bigger one. Now I think I have now 3 of them now, different sizes. Hey, so this is the bigger one. It also has the LED. It also have that LED light. And guys, I'm so happy for me to be buying this because it's gonna help me a lot, especially when I'm traveling, guys, because I'm one person who like to travel a lot. So I go with the small tripod. And then again I said, no, why not, let me just go and buy myself some small groceries. It's just a top up. This is a top up, guys. I bought myself this red onion, red cabbage rather. I love it. And this butternut. Those are my favorite vegetables, eh? My favorite. And then I bought myself some meat because I've realized that the meat is not enough in the house. Hey, my guys can eat. Hey, my guys can eat. So I had to go and buy another meat just to chop up on top. So this is what I got. It's not that much though. It's not that much. It's only for me and the kids. It's just to sustain us for the rest of the month and a half, and then we know that the following month we can be able to buy proper meal. Hence I bought this ones, guys. So for me, it helped me a lot. It helps a lot to do this. So again, for the noise, guys, there's a noise outside, and I bought this 6-gun spice. I love spice, guys. I love spice. I do not even care where I buy the spices. As long as I have the spices that can work for me, I do buy them. And then I bought this. I love doing this, a garlic bread myself. Yeah, I do it for myself. Hence I bought this. It's better and easier that way to do this. And then I bought the noodles. My people eat noodles a lot. They do eat noodles, so I had to buy noodles. But my favorite is the Devon curry, guys. I love Devon curry. It's my favorite of them all. I can buy them more than the other ones. Yeah, this is my favorite. This is my favorite one that I love so much. This is when, you know, sometimes you have those days when you feel that you are lazy to cook. I just make this. And here, guys, we just made a dumpling. I just wanted to share with you how we are doing a dumpling. So you just have to pour flour, pour sugar, and you pour this. This is the magic. This is the magic for your dumpling. This is the magic. You don't have to put it all of it. You just put some. Suppose it depends though. It depends on how much you doing. You pour according to what you are doing here. So here it's flour, the yeast, and you also pour sugar and salt. When it comes to salt, you don't have to put that much salt. You just post a little bit of salt, not too much, because if you put much, it's gonna taste bad. And then you can put also sugar. Sugar needs to be a bit higher than the salt, as you can see, guys. This is sugar. This is sugar. By the way, this is sugar. All right, once you've done, you can just mix it. If you can see, that's my hand. You just mix it all so that it combined. All the ingredients need to be combined, especially the yeast. It needs not to be escaping, so it's best for you to mix it through. You mix all the dry ingredients, and then you can just pour water. You pour warm water, mix it until you have that consistency. You have that consistency where it's no longer holding on to your hands. You keep mixing, mix, guys, mix. Kasitswana baro rua until it combines. And once it's combined, as you can see, it's coming okay. It's coming okay now. It is ready now. It's ready. You can just simply knead it again. Knead it, guys. My apology, there's a child here. You know, kids, you can't control them, eh? You can't control kids. So as I was saying, then you can just simply knead it and fold it. As you can see, it's been folded. You fold it. After you have finished, you can simply take a plastic, put the oil in the plastic, smear it inside, and put your dough inside. Then let it rest. After it's rested, you simply take it and put it in the pot with water. You put water, bring it to the boil, and then voila. Once it's ready there, as you can see, that's our dumpling. Beautiful dumpling. Nice and fluffy. Look at it. Look at that. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Thank you guys for watching.